Alright, the first question here says simplify minus 2 plus 5. Simplify minus 2 plus 5. No, not minus 7. No, minus 8. Minus 2 plus 5. Good, just 3. Give an example of a search engine. Google, okay, I'll give you that one. And the line that divides a circle into 2 equal halves is called? The line that divides a circle into 2 equal halves. What? Not radius. Diameter, correct. You answered that one. The next one. What side of a balance sheet does income go to? Credit or debit? Credit, okay, that's for you. In the military, while the army operates primarily on land, what group operates on water? Navy, correct. Animals without backbones are called invertebrates. Next question. What African country is transcontinental? What African country is transcontinental? A transcontinental country is a country that is in 2 different continents. So there's only one country that is
Australia.
Is not even an African country.
Asia.
Asia is not a country. Okay, it's Egypt. Egypt is in Africa. Egypt is also in Asia. The next one. What African island country is in the Indian Ocean? Madagascar. The next one. What is the largest ocean in the world? The largest ocean in the world is not Atlantic. Any idea? It's Pacific. Pacific Ocean. Give 2 benefits of technology. Okay, for communication. Next one is good, okay. Mention any 2 natural disasters. Earthquake, hurricane, good. Wait, so you win.